Hello, wonderful home cooks. Are you ready for a dinner solution that's not just incredibly delicious, but also unbelievably easy to clean up? Today, we're diving into a recipe that promises maximum flavor with minimal effort. Our dump and bake lemon dill salmon and orzo dinner. This isn't just a meal, it's a weeknight savior. Imagine a complete, balanced, and utterly satisfying dinner emerging from just one single pan. No multiple pots, no constant stirring, just pure, unadulterated culinary magic. We're talking about tender, flaky salmon, perfectly cooked orzo, vibrant lemon, and fresh dill, all mingling together in a symphony of flavors. It's elegant enough for guests, but simple enough for any busy Tuesday night. So, let's get cooking. First things first, let's gather our star players. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh salmon fillets, skin on or off, whichever you prefer. This is the heart of our dish, offering fantastic protein and healthy fats. Next, grab 1.5 cups of uncooked orzo pasta. Orzo is perfect here because it cooks beautifully in the pan with the other ingredients, soaking up all those delicious juices. It's like a tiny rice-shaped pasta that's a fantastic carb base. For our liquid, we'll use 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. This is crucial for cooking the orzo and infusing the entire dish with a wonderful depth of flavor. Choose a low-sodium option if you like to control your salt intake. Now, for the flavor powerhouses, you'll need the juice of 2 fresh lemons. Fresh lemon juice makes a massive difference, providing that bright, zesty tang. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of olive oil, essential for flavor and helping everything cook evenly. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, minced, for an aromatic punch. And for the fresh herbs, about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh dill is absolutely non-negotiable. Its distinctive flavor pairs so beautifully with salmon and lemon. Finally, we'll need 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper to season everything perfectly. You can always adjust these to your personal taste. All right, let's get to the incredibly easy dump part of this dump and bake meal. You'll need a large baking dish or a high-sided oven-safe pan. This is where all the magic happens. Start by pouring your uncooked orzo directly into the bottom of your baking dish. Spread it out evenly so it forms a nice, flat layer. Next, add your 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth over the orzo. Then pour in the fresh lemon juice, the olive oil, and sprinkle in the minced garlic. This liquid mixture is what will cook our pasta. Add your salt and pepper to the liquid and stir everything together gently. Make sure the orzo is submerged in the broth. This ensures it absorbs all the flavors as it cooks. Now, nestle your salmon fillets directly on top of the orzo mixture. Arrange them in a single layer, ensuring they are not completely covered by the liquid, but are well placed to cook. Sprinkle about half of your chopped fresh dill over the salmon fillets and the orzo. This initial sprinkling will infuse the dish from the start with that lovely herbaceous aroma. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. We want a nice hot oven to cook everything efficiently. Once your oven is preheated, carefully place your baking dish into the oven. We're going to bake this for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. The exact time might vary slightly depending on your oven and the thickness of your salmon fillets. You'll know it's ready when the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The orzo should be tender and have absorbed most of the liquid, creating a wonderfully creamy texture. Keep an eye on it towards the end of the cooking time to ensure everything is perfect. If you notice the top browning too quickly, you can loosely cover it with foil for the last few minutes. Once it's done, carefully remove the pan from the oven. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely incredible, trust me. Before serving, take the remaining fresh dill and sprinkle it generously over the entire dish. That fresh burst of dill right at the end truly elevates the flavor and adds a beautiful touch of color. You can also add a few fresh lemon wedges to the side for anyone who wants an extra squeeze of citrusy goodness. This dish is fantastic on its own, a complete meal in one pan. Serve this directly from the baking dish at the table for a rustic, inviting presentation, or portion it out onto individual plates for a more refined approach. This meal pairs wonderfully with a simple side salad if you want to add more greens. A light vinaigrette would complement the lemon and dill perfectly. This recipe is incredibly versatile. If you're not a fan of dill, fresh parsley or chives also work beautifully with salmon and lemon. Feel free to experiment with different herbs. For an extra layer of flavor and some added veggies, you could toss in a handful of cherry tomatoes or some chopped asparagus spears during the last 10 minutes of baking. They'll cook perfectly alongside the salmon and orzo. To make this even heartier, consider adding some crumbled feta cheese or grated Parmesan right before serving. It adds a delicious salty tang. If you have picky eaters, you can always separate the salmon and cook it on its own if they prefer. But I encourage you to try it all together for the full flavor experience. This dish is also great for meal prepping. Leftovers store well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheat nicely in the microwave or oven. And there you have it. A truly magnificent, full-flavored, and incredibly easy dump and bake lemon dill salmon and orzo dinner. It's perfect for busy weeknights, special occasions, or whenever you crave something delicious without all the fuss. I hope you give this recipe a try in your own kitchen. It's a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their dinner routine without sacrificing taste. Enjoy every delicious bite and happy cooking!